You know what you came here for. Sit back and tune in for Isha Talor. Yeah.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl Isha Talor. So today's video is going to be all about Melody Susie. Thank you Melody Susie for sending me this kit. It is a 24+4, which means there's 24 gel polishes and 4 like base coats, top coats. I think this collection is actually called the Pink Sea Collection, if you want to be specific. All right, so when you open it, of course, you get your instructions. And here are all the 24 colors. And like I said, the items that you need. So you have 2 base coats right here. They are 5 milligrams, so they may seem to be very small, but they're fine. I think they're fine. You have your top coat, just a regular top coat, and then a matte top coat. All right, so these are all the colors. They are in order by numbers, thank goodness. And they range from pinks and blues, and they cover every season. So I see spring in here. I see some fall colors in here, like maroons. I see Christmas colors like this red, some glitters right here. So I feel like this covers pretty much all year round, which I like. So here's the consistency. I love seeing consistency shots. This is what this looks like. And like I said, you only get 5 mil, but I mean, it's very pigmented. When I did swatches of these, they only needed 1 coat. Now, I do want to show you this one because I feel like it's a duochrome, and when I swatched it, it didn't show that at all. So look at this, y'all, like this. Can y'all see that? Tell me y'all can't see that. Like, this is gorgeous. So this will be a pretty topper of some sort. Oh my goodness. And I do have a coupon code for Melody Susie. So if you want to get this kit or any other colors or items from the website, you can do so with that coupon code. It'll be in the description bar. So this is G046. And this is the chunkiest of them. Okay, so these are the swatches. Again, they're in order from how they appeared in the box. So just rewind and look at the numbers to kind of match them up. And at first, when I swatched them, I was like, what is the difference between this one, 308, and 420? But they are actually different. This one's a lot darker. So I'm going for like a summertime vibe, and so I picked the 112 as my like all base, but then I really can't tell between 112 and 577. I really can't tell between the two, so I'm gonna see which one I really like. And I want to do like marble design, so I picked up the 420, the coral color. This color 235. You see the vibe I'm going for? Like, it's gonna look so good. 1322, which is like a sand beachy color. And then of course I think this is white, the 1010, but I think it's like a off-white. Let me try the 577. I'm gonna apply that again as my base. I think this looks like a nice nude color. I think so. What you think? I think I like it. You know what I also noticed about these polishes that I really like? They kind of self-level. I really enjoy that. This is such a pretty color. I honestly might just leave it like this and be like, oh, the video's over. But no, seriously, this 577 is like gonna be my new nude pink color. Beautiful. But you know what I realized? I did not put the base coat. So on this hand, I'm gonna put the base coat on first and then apply the polish and see if it makes a difference, if it makes this more vibrant or anything. But I did realize that. So okay, so this is 2 coats. I think I'm gonna leave it just like that, and I'm gonna get started on this design. We're gonna be using all 4 of these colors for the marble. Actually, for the pinky nail, I'm just gonna do white and coral. Then you could use the back end of your brush, or if you have a dotting tool, which a lot of these kits come in, you're just gonna go like this. Just gonna go psh, 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 psh. Just like mix it all in like that. Don't overdo it, because then the colors are gonna mesh and make a whole different color that you don't want. And you can put down base coat, or you can put blooming gel. If you are using blooming gel, I'm putting this at a slant, so I want to kind of go like, so now you're going to take your brush and you're just going to scoop. I want to go this way, actually. You're going to scoop the product up. So you're going to go just in a line like that. So all you're basically doing is feathering the polish on, or tapping if you want. The beauty of the blooming gel is that it's going to bloom for you, meaning that it's going to feather it out and spread out for you. So again, I'm just picking up more product and kind of creating the design. I do recommend that once you have the design in place, that you cure immediately. It does take 30 to 60 seconds in the UV LED lamp, because if you don't cure this design in time, the blooming will continue to bloom, if you will, and be kind of muddy and spread out, and that's not what you want. Okay, so now we're going to put all of the colors. So I'm going to put, so I wipe this down with some alcohol. Right, so this is what this is looking like. I actually really like it. So now let's add some gold foil. The nails should be tacky. This should just be easy transition. So okay, so I picked up some real Swarovskis. I think that's how you say it, Miss Fancy. Swarovskis, whatever. And I put them in these little pots just so it'll be easier for me to know what I have and to not lose them, of course. So I think these will go perfect. I'm not using the stars. It came with stars. I'm not using that. And then these ones as well. These are also Swarovskis. I might these ones as well, to include the white. Can y'all see? I might do this too. Okay, so for this hand, I'm gonna use the base coat before I put the gel polish, just to see if it really makes a difference. So I would definitely say for the base coat, it kind of like wrinkled the polish, as you can see. So I'm gonna cure it right now and see if that goes away. I would say a base coat is more necessary if you're applying gel polish to your natural nails, as opposed to a fake nail, where if you buff it, it's perfectly ready for gel polish. Okay, so you can kind of see it in here. So I wouldn't really recommend using the base coat if you're using nail extensions, just because it kind of, I feel like I gotta put another coat, but I really don't want to. So this is what the nails are looking like. Y'all, this came out, I gotta clean that up. This came out so good. I'm gonna add some outside shots too, because it's gonna look so much better outside. Thank you, Melody Susie, for sending this over to me. Definitely love the formula of these colors, the consistency. I love the color ranges. Like, I am so happy with how this came out. Definitely love these. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.